Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Scorpious Rex in an Among Us crewmate skin. If you guys have any other requests for some different Among Us skins, definitely let me know and I'll try my best to draw them all. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and thanks for watching. Now to start off with our Among Us Scorpious Rex, we need to begin with the face shield. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go up, it's going to go down, and then it's going to come back. Next, we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then connect to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come up and then down like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come out to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Now, starting up here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, it's going to come over, and it's going to come down. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve in. Then I'm going to go down and in, down and in, and then we're just going to bring it down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to curve up. Make another one that's going to go over, and then it's going to curve up. And one more over, and it's going to curve up. Then I'm going to go up and over. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over, and then it's going to curve up, over and up, then over and up to here for the feet. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves down. And then we want to add some teeth. So I'm just going to add some kind of like jagged curved teeth in here. And I'll do some more down here too. Now, starting back here, I'm going to add a little pack. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and then in. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down. We're going to come to a point, and I'm going to bring it right back to here. Now, the Scorpious Rex has some different spikes on him. So I'm just going to make some different size little spikes coming back here. So you can just make them go out and then in. And you just want to make them different sizes. Make some of them bigger, some of them shorter, just to kind of make it look a little bit more interesting. So we're going to add some there. Then I'm also going to add some spikes onto the tail. So we're just going to do kind of the same thing. We're going to make some different size spikes, some bigger, some longer, some shorter. Just do some different things like that to make it interesting. And then right here, I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines on here. I haven't done this yet with one of our Among Us characters, so we'll see how that goes. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Scorpious Rex Among Us crewmate skin, or the imposter skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.